Billionaire crypto investor Kevin O'Leary was asked, "What is the best way for a beginner to make money in crypto?" His answer was simple. First, he said,
Start small. Crypto requires education.
then he gave the first practical step.
Get both a centralized and a decentralized wallet, and understand the difference.
Then he said something honest.
Put in $200 and you will lose it.
Not because crypto is a scam, but because mistakes are part of learning. He explained why.
You will understand who hacked you, why it happened, and what you did wrong with security.
Then he said,
Everyone loses money in the beginning. That's how you learn how wallets really work.
after that, he moved to basics.
Work with a few coins: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Polygon.
Not to trade them, but to understand how they move. And finally, he said,
Move your coins between centralized and decentralized wallets and learn how that works.
that's his advice for beginners. Not to chase profits, but to learn how the system really works.